The Vertex shortcut lets you find a vertex of any quadratic in about 2 seconds. No completing the square required. By the end of this short lesson, you'll have a formula memorized that works every single time. You don't need to complete the square. Most students dread that method. Completing the square takes multiple steps and is easy to mess up under time pressure, while the Vertex shortcut is a single plug-in chug formula. On the SAT, speed matters. Saving 30+ seconds on one question gives you breathing room for harder problems later. Here's the formula. For any quadratic in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative b divided by 2a. Step 1. Identify a, b, and c from the equation. Step 2. Plug b into the formula to get x. Step 3. Substitute that x back into the original equation to get y. Memorize this formula. It shows up repeatedly on the SAT. Write on a flashcard if needed. This is the example. Step 1. From y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 3, we get a equals 2, b equals minus 8, c equals 3. Keep in mind that b carries the sign. It's negative 8, not just 8. Step 2. Plug in. X equals minus in bracket, minus 8, divided by 2 into 2, equals 8 divided by 4, is equal to 2. The double negative becomes positive. Step 3. Plug x equals 2 back in. Y equals 2 into 4, minus 8 into 2, plus 3 is equal to 8 minus 16 plus 3 equals minus 5. The vertex is 2 minus 5. Done in seconds. Now let's reinforce with a second example. Same process, different numbers. Step 1. From y equals 3x squared plus 12x plus 7, we get a equals 3, b equals 12, c equals 7. Note that b is positive this time. Step 2, x equals minus 12 divided by 2 into 3 equals minus 12 divided by 6 equals minus 2. The negative in the formula makes the answer negative. Step 3. Plug x equals minus 2 back in. Y equals 3 into 4 plus 12 into minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 12 minus 24 plus 7 equals minus 5. Vertex is minus 2 minus 5. See the pattern? Same 3 steps every time, no matter the numbers. Now try this one on your own. This problem has a twist. A is negative minus 1. The negative sign in front of x squared means a equals negative 1, not 1. Let's walk through the solution. X equals minus 6 divided by 2 into minus 1 equals minus 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to 3. Then y equals minus 9 plus 18 minus 4 is equal to 5. Vertex is 3, 5. Mastering this one formula can save them over 30 seconds per question. On a timed test, that adds up fast. This is your cheat sheet, everything you need on one slide. Use it as a quick reference before the test. The formula x equals minus b divided by 2a is the star to show. The 3 steps on the right are always the same. Identify, plug in, substitute back. The 3 example cards summarize every problem we worked through. Each follows the exact same pattern regardless of the coefficients. Pro tip, watch the sign of b. This is the most common mistake students make with this formula.